Hello everyone and welcome again to the Cryptocurrency Central. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and let's begin with today's analysis. If you see with Bitcoin is up today in the 7-day percentage but down today in 24-hour. Ethereum is also the same, is that it's up in 24-hour and down in 7 days metric. If you see, then few altcoins are up. uh, If you see XRP is up in 7-day 24-hour, but not that much. And if you see Cardano, then Cardano is up 7%, 10% in the 7-day percentage, but it's down 24-hour percentage. So let's move to the analysis now. If we see in Bitcoin, then Bitcoin is still in the falling wedge pattern. Uh, and here if we look closer, then 2200 EMA is still a crucial resistance to the Bitcoin, and here Bitcoin is above the 30k resistance, which is very important for Bitcoin to stay above, because this is a very crucial resistance, the 30k resistance. This support is holding well so far. The chances of Bitcoin going below this support is very less. As you can see, Bitcoin is holding well here, and currently if we see, then Bitcoin is also in a bull flag like this. Here is the bull flag of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is currently moving inside it. So the chances of Bitcoin moving inside it and then slowly breaking out is very high, both in this uh, bull flag as well as in this pattern, ascending triangle as a bottoming pattern. So so if we see Bitcoin through this technical analysis, then it surely looks a bit bullish currently, with this bull flag developing and this ascending pattern. But we should not forget that Bitcoin is still inside this ascending wedge, and the chances of Bitcoin going to 22k is also there. If we go to the Bitcoin news of today, then here we have the news that an analyst has said that Bitcoin will finish 2022 as flat or possibly up. Uh, and he also bets on $1 million Bitcoin price. Uh, Post fund stat Tom Lee hopes that. And if you see, Lee suggests that the market has already bottomed. There are a variety of reasons given here. Sailor said if it's not going to zero, it's going to a million. So it's just like that. If the deniers are wrong and skeptics are wrong, it's pretty obvious they are both wrong at this point. It's not going to zero, and if it's going to zero, it's going to a million. So he's say being very bullish on where we go from here. So this guy is very bullish on Bitcoin. He says Bitcoin might go up and possibly in 2022, and the positive note. So if we reach to the crypto fair and greed index, then if we see the Bitcoin fair and greed, then it is currently at 11. And if you see this max here, then we can see whenever Bitcoin has the greed has been between 1120, that has been the bottom of the market. If you see 2018 or 2019, then we can see the same results everywhere. And here let me show you this chart. As you can see, this is the fair and greed index. So in 2019 there was a bottom here. The fair and greed was around 11, 20, 13, and after that you can see how much Bitcoin rallied. This happened as well in March 2020. The Bitcoin greed fair and greed Fahrenheit index fell as low as 9. Then, as you can see, it rallied and went so far. And the Bitcoin Fahrenheit has again come that low, and there is again the possibility of Bitcoin going high from here. Let's move on to Ethereum now. So if we go to Ethereum news first, then there is a positive news for Ethereum. Ethereum Ropsten testnet successfully merged to proof of stake. If you don't know, Ropsten is a testnet of Ethereum and it has now been merged to proof of stake. Uh, yeah, that was the main news for today. This is the positive news for Ethereum, but as you can see, the price has not reacted as positively to this news yet. Ethereum is still in the symmetrical triangle pattern, and nothing significant has happened here. So it again depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks out, then so will Ethereum. But currently, it is going to be in a ranging market. If we go to the theta analysis for today, then before going to the technical analysis, if we go to the metrics first, then here we see that theta. Here, what has happened is that the supply held by whales metric dropped as the price and market cap increased. This suggests that the uptick was supported by retail volume. What this means is retail investors are buying, but the whales are not very interested in theta. The whale accumulation wave could likely trigger more upside for theta, but this remains in the realm of hypotheticals. Nevertheless, a close on theta supply may help provide clarity on where it is headed. So there has been a uptrend in theta currently, as you can see here. The price of theta has rallied from 1.18 to 1.432, and this could rally yet again to a higher price if theta manages to break out from this top rising and bottom flat pattern. As you can see, the top is a resistance and the bottom is a support, so it's very important for theta to flip this resistance into a support zone first, and this would also mean theta going above the $1.5 resistance, which is a very tough resistance for theta currently. So if we see, as you can see, this will be the target price, and this would be around $1.7. So if theta manages to go above this pattern and breaks out and also goes above 1.5, then it can rally till 1.7 level. And if you see the macro scale, then theta is currently in a downtrend as indicated by this yellow trend line. Theta has gone through a rough phase, and well, this could be the beginning of a new uptrend in theta's life. If you go and look closely again, then the 200 EMA is approaching theta from here, and it's very important for theta to go above this pattern, above this EMA, above the 1.5 resistance, and then rally till 1.7 target. This can very well happen if Bitcoin also follows suit. If Bitcoin also rallies from here and reaches this upper boundary, then same will happen with Theta and Ethereum also. So as we analyze the fair and lead also, the chances of Bitcoin going up is very high. So we can expect some positivity in the crypto area for now because, well, the prices have bottomed out in the fair and lead index. So the rally is expected from here. If you like the analysis of today, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell notification. Thanks for watching.